What's up guys, this is Tech Pro here. Today I'm going to be testing a new case for the iPhone. This is a UAG tough case for the iPhone X, and it has carbon fiber, and UAG stands for Urban Armor Gear. And down here it says drop tested, approved, 2 times military standard, etc, etc. And then it says series Monarch designed for iPhone X. And moving on to the side, it says the features are, it's impact resistant, it's feather light, it's easy access, traction grip, screen surround, and glare free flash. And then moving on to the side over here, it says rugged, lightweight, drop tested protection, and it says series Monarch 5-layer protection. And then at the top, it again says the same thing, designed for iPhone X, and at the back it says armor frame, leather or carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber, and it says polycarbonate shear plate, and then impact resistant rubber. It says 10-year limited warranty, which is a lot. I got this phone $999, but the MRP is $7,990. The box itself feels very high quality, and it shows this arrow over here to open. So I'll just open it now. And then inside we can finally see the case. It has 3 exposed screws here, here, and here, and carbon fiber in the middle. It feels very genuine and very soft to the touch. And I'll just take the case out so we can get a better look. The box for the case is very well designed, and this is the case itself. Inside it has a soft finish so that your phone doesn't get damaged. So I'll just put my phone in and see how it looks. It's surprisingly easy to install, and I particularly like the 2 horns that complement the notch. And the camera lens has a chromed ring around it, and even the UAG symbol is chromed. And the light just seems to bounce off the carbon fiber finish. Holding it in my hand, the case feels very grippy and the phone feels very tough. And at the bottom, all the ports are accessible. There is only 1 port though, and the speakers can work properly. And at the side, the buttons are covered, the volume buttons, and the mute button is exposed so you can easily access it. With the phone on, now you can see how the 2 horns at the top complement the notch. It's in line with the notch, and lets everyone know that you're using an iPhone X. And the sides has this rubber finish which is very grippy, and the exposed screws, and has some lettering over here. So it is a very... Instead, buy a whole new iPhone 7 just for the price of replacing the back panel, and you could buy a whole new iPhone 6 for the price of the display. So in that sense, the UAG Tough Armor case for the iPhone X is the better option. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, click on the subscribe button and give a thumbs up.